Today we see how to add 20B3D fixed lock, how to install. Okay, this is the lock body and this is the mortise. Also, first we need to fix the mortise. Use the tool fix the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, see, we now already fixed the mortise. So, can see these 3 spare parts need to be cut. Okay, this the handle, the rod is put on here. So keep like this. You can first see here. Here with the position, you just keep in this here. Okay, just put out. And here, this is your door, right? So here, just keep around 2 centimeter to 2.5. Okay, and for the cylinder sheet, how to cut and how to keep the length. Okay, you can see here the screws fix the screws, and it's fixed in here. Okay. We can use the screws first to fix in here, and you can see just keep a little in here. Then to put the cylinder go through here. Okay. Then you see the screws fixed this one. Then we can check how to use a tool. Here is your door. So here just keep the door out of 1.5 centimeter out of the door. This sheet, okay, 1.5 centimeter. Okay, then you take out and to cut. When you fix the cylinder, we need to use the key to check whether it's okay of the mortise. You can see this one is fixed well, so it's no problem. Just use your key to check the cylinder. For this sheet, it's fixed on here. Okay, just use the click fixed in here and match this hole. Okay, you can see. So this length keep just not to not cross. This is okay. Not over here. Okay, just to keep the sheet just inside of here. This hole. Okay, this hole. Okay. So we need to first fix in here. Okay, use the click. For this sheet, for the safety side, we need to be push it down. Okay, like this to full safety for the sheet to fix well. Okay. Okay, then the springs just do to the rear handle here. Okay, this is this one here. The rear handle put inside here. Okay. This is the rear handle, you can see here. So to match the spring on this square rod in here, okay. Install pack have 2 sides of sleeve rod for the front panel. So turn your door thickness to choose the length. Usually we choose this short sleeve to for here, okay, short one, okay. Okay, the sleeve fixed from the panel. Use the tools to fasten it. And front panel fixed to the door. Okay, fixed to the door. Okay, then the cable connection front part and the rear panel. Okay. Okay, then you can see the rear panel need to be. You can see the spring is go inside the rear handle. Okay, this is the rod and this is the middle sheet. Okay, need to 3 position, well fixed, well match. Okay. Okay, so now the rear panel, okay, fixed on the door. And use the screws to fix the panel to the door. Okay, 2, 1, and this one. For here, okay. Okay, we need to be your door front panel. Okay, it's very vertical like this. Okay, so we can adjust. Okay, when you install the front panel and the rear panel, just make it straight. Okay, the position should be correct. Okay, straight. Sorry to some adjustment by yourself. Okay, so we check the mortise each position and the deadboard. Okay. So that's the low problem of the install. Okay, then we put the battery. Okay, now put the battery. Okay, so we can check. Okay, perfect. Okay, it's nice.